back again to my channel, and this is Lilian Herbard channel. And my vlog for today guys ay syempre magluluto na naman tayo dito sa kitchen, at ang ating lulutuin ay soup na naman. So ito na guys yung suot ko kasi winter na ngayon, so syempre malamig, kaya kailangan na magdubli ng ating damit. So ayan guys, at mag-start na tayo ng cooking. Itong ating mga ingredients guys. So ito guys ang ating ingredients for today. At mayroon tayong red beans, white beans, at saka winter melon, at bone pork. So na-boil ko na yan guys yung bone pork natin. So ayan lang guys ang ating ingredients for today. So let's start cooking guys, at nagpakulo na ako ng water. At so ayan guys, at kumukulo ng ating water. So ilagay na natin ang ating red beans. So ayan guys, so nahugasan ko niyan guys. Ayan. May naman natira. Ayan. Tapos ito ang ating white beans. At ating winter melon. So ito guys ay papakuluan natin ng 1.5 oras. So ayan ang ating winter melon, nalagay na. So ayan ang ating bone pork. So ayan guys, 2 piraso lang yan guys, kasi malaki naman yung paghiwa ng bone pork. So ayan guys, takpan na natin at antayin natin ng 1.5 oras guys. See you later guys, thank you for watching. So ito na guys, tingnan na natin ang ating soup after 1 hour and a half. So ayan na siya guys, kunti na lang yung water. Natin. So, ayan. Water, winter melon, bone pork, and the seeds. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ready na siya. Lagyan na lang natin ng salt, guys. At pakuluan natin ng mga 5 minutes at okay na siya. So, ayan. Pakuluan lang natin para yung salt matunaw ng mabuti at kumapit yung lasa sa soup natin. So, ayan guys, takpan ulit natin. After 5 minutes guys, tingnan natin. Pwede na siyang i-serve. So, ito guys, after 5 minutes, so, ayan na, kumukulong-kulong-kulo na ang ating soup for today. Ayan. Ayan ang ating red beans at saka white beans. Ito naman ang ating bone pork and winter melon. So ayan guys, my vlog for today is cooking soup, and thank you so much for watching. God bless and I love you all guys. Merry Christmas. So ayan, ready to serve ng ating soup guys.